Can an AI beat hyperplex? Well, if you don't know hyperplex, he's a CSS wizard that inspired me into creating a YouTube channel. And today, we're going to be finding out if an AI can beat his amazing CSS skills. So, the other day, I was scrolling to YouTube and I came across one of his videos. I watched through the entire thing, and at the end, I visited the effect using the link he provided. Well guys, take a look at this effect. It is as good as it can get. But that got me wondering. As a CSS nerd, I was thinking, can I recreate this effect using tailwind CSS? My 2 months of experience tells me I can, but my knowledge is saying otherwise. So I turned to the king of AI, ChatGPT. Well, when I first got into ChatGPT, I was nervous because I was about to do the unthinkable. Well, as you guys can see, I have never used ChatGPT to code before.
What did he say?
Then I proceeded to go to his code. First, I copied the HTML and pasted it into ChatGPT. I told the chatbot to study it and it outputted this. Well, I then proceeded to copy the CSS and told the AI to convert it into Tailwind and add it to the HTML I provided at the start. Then I started to sweat as I copied the code that ChatGPT gave me into my editor. I was nervous because this looks absolutely nothing like what I copied into the chatbot. Well, I proceeded to click on run and I was so scared to even open my browser. Well folks, I guess it's time to see the results. Did an AI actually beat hyperplex? And just like that, I was very disappointed. Well, if you'd like to see me attempt to recreate this effect myself using Tailwind CSS, subscribe.